At Alpaca, we believe design should adapt to the way you move through life, never the other way around. No two journeys follow the same rhythm. Morning rush, spontaneous evening out, lazy Sunday stroll, bustling commute. Crafting gear that responds to the ebbs and flows of your day is our passion. That's why we're proud to introduce the Flow Satchel, our most easygoing sidekick yet, in 2 sizes that help you move seamlessly through all the moments of your day. Its innovation lies in its versatility. The curved shape sits naturally against your body, while the spacious main compartment flexes to fit whatever you're carrying. Need quick access? The front pocket keeps essentials at hand, with a built-in key clip for peace of mind. We've added thoughtful features where they matter most. An expandable water bottle pocket with adjustable elastic strap, a rear zip pocket that can fit a small tablet, subtle webbing loops for those times you need to clip on extras, an internal zip pocket for valuables. Nothing too complicated, just clever utility that works with your lifestyle. The Flow Satchel adapts effortlessly to your needs. It's perfect as a day-to-day companion around the city or as a day bag while traveling. The quick-release magnetic buckle on the strap makes it easy to get this bag on and off whenever you need, without compromising strength and security. Like everything we create, sustainability is built into its DNA. Crafted from our AxoFlux fabric, made entirely from recycled nylon, it's as kind to the planet as it is capable. With durable construction and weather-resistant finishes, it's ready to face whatever comes your way. This is our 14th crowdfunding campaign, and as always, we're humbled by your support. Alpaca exists because of you, our community, and we're honored to have you along for the journey. Go with the flow.